Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review or product review for a tool that you might own, and this is more specific to those of you who might own a Stabila Level, and even more specific than that, you need to own one with the handles like this right here. So if you don't have that, I'm not sure that these would fit any other level. They possibly could, but I very highly doubt it because they are basically form fitted for those levels. And what they are is a FastCap level rack. It's basically a mounting system for your Stabila levels. They give you the rack or the mount here along with two self-tapping metal screws in case you want to go into metal, and then they also give you two wood screws as well with the package. Again, they're about $12 a piece. You can get them on Amazon, but you can get them other places for less money but with shipping, so you might want to just shop around, but usually it comes out to that same amount, somewhere around $12, $10 to $12, somewhere in that a piece. And for most of the time, if you're going to hang it vertical, you're probably only going to need one of them. So if you're going to hang it like this right here, I'm mounting those into my 2x4 in my garage just to show you this, and then I'm going to put my plate level on it. And if I mount the plate level in that way, you can get away with just one. You wouldn't need two. But if you're going to hang it horizontal like this, or if you're going to hang it vertical, which is what I'm going to do inside my truck, which I'll show you in a minute, you would want to buy two of these, because if not, it's going to get, off kilter and not be hanging up there right. So you would want to do that, especially for longer levels. But basically, it's a form-fitted thing. You just stick through your level here like that. You turn that knob, and again, it locks it into place. What I'm using mine for is inside my camper topper. I have two of these. I already had one for my 4-foot level put up there, and now I've added two more for my plate level, so I could mount those to the top of my camper topper. They're out of my way, but then I have them with me and I don't have to worry about other things bumping into them. And I've drove down the road several miles like that. I mean, I've put miles and miles on my truck since I've had those up there, and they seem to be working fine. I haven't had any issue with the weight of the level causing it to make me think it's going to break or something like that. The only thing is, on my digital levels, I've only got one handle, and that's just the way all their digital levels like this are. Most of their just normal levels that aren't digital, you get two handles like this. So I had to, on my 4-footer, since I'm hanging it vertical like that, I had to put a bungee around my top like this too, that I just undo real quick and use one of these and then a bungee. So again, just a real quick review, more so to let you know it's out there, and in my opinion, so far they've been working great. I haven't had any issues with mine breaking or anything like that. So again, just letting you know that it's out there. Maybe it's going to be useful to you if you've got these levels. I know it's a smaller audience than normal. This may not be a use to you at all, but hopefully it helps somebody. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.